I think everyone had the same idea we did because it literally just changed from 30 to 45.
Yeah.
But I say we do it anyway.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's be real, this is like my favorite ride, so...
Yeah.
Well, at least in this part.
And then Haunted Mansion has to happen too.
Okay, well let's just head there next.
Okay.
See, I told you plans were gonna change.
Yeah. 15 minutes.
20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Strike your feathers, dearie. Show them your flock.
Hey, send them hints to Davy Jones. It's the rum they want.
Do have yourself a drink, small one. Drink out of the pub. So, it's a treasure indeed.
What'd you get?
Dole Whip.
And it's ready.
You gotta share it with me, man.
No, I'm not a Dole Whip fan. I know that sounds weird. Like I need like the pineapple vanilla swirl in order to eat it because for some reason, I don't know, the pineapple is just very strong for me. It's good, don't get me wrong. I just need to be in the mood for it and I'm not in the mood for it, but that's okay.
Well, it's ready. It's right around the corner. So.
Yep. We haven't done Tiki Room in a long time.
I fell asleep last night.
Did you?
Yeah, I was tired. Didn't get worn out from the day.
Yeah, that's true.
You go in a dark room and it's like...
Yeah, that's a good point.
Not that, it's bad, because it's not.
No, we love it. It's just old, obviously, but we love it. I mean, I've gotten like that inside like Carousel of Progress,
Yeah, me
but I don't think I've ever actually fallen asleep in Carousel of Progress.
but I have both.
What? You've done that too? Fair.
Dark room.
All right, Dole Whip's ready.
And it's nice and cool.
I get it. I get it. There it is.
Now this kind of has to be perfect if you're going to take a video of it.
It's gotta be perfect. No. Thank you.
Thank you. There it is.
Oh, you got it. Gotta have a bite.
You always act like you've never had it before,
Yeah, good.
but you love it. I know you do.
Pineapple's better. Oh, yeah, I need a drink.
So needy.
What?
You're so needy. Did we just change of planet?
Yeah.
Which is very common in Weberland.
Good.
Where are we headed?
We're going.
Wait, this is my idea. Maybe I should say it. This is my idea. We are gonna go to do, oh, I already forgot where we're going.
Yeah, man.
Oh, I got it.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Too into his Dole Whip. We are going to go to Little Mermaid, and then we're gonna go check out Big Top Circus Souvenir because they reopened, and I'm sure it's the same stuff, but we don't care. We're gonna go anyway.
Yeah, I like that place.
And then I guess Haunted Mansion later, I think Ryan said.
Straight shot. Fireworks.
Yeah. Okay, are you sure?
Yeah, close it out.
Close it out with Haunted Mansion. I kind of like that actually. What about like Small World or like Peter Pan?
That's for Jagger.
Gonna wait for Jagger. Okay, fine. That I like that idea. We still have to get him a Winnie the Pooh. I'm not leaving here until I get him a Winnie the Pooh because I promised him a Winnie the Pooh.
It's on the way back.
Change of planning it.
Beautiful.
Florida bird. Oh no, don't eat the map. Okay, good. Florida bird.
They're everywhere.
Why do we call it Florida bird?
Because they're everywhere.
No, because we don't know what they're actually called and we only see them in Florida. That's why we call it a Florida bird. We don't have those in New Jersey, and if we do, we've never seen one.
They're like, looks like Beaker from the Muppets.
Aw, speaking of the Muppets, R.I.P. That's sad.
They're still in there.
You sure?
We'll come back.
Okay, we have yet to try a waffle from here.
Yeah, smells good.
Like both the chicken one and the chocolate and strawberry and etc. one.
Okay.
I don't want funnel cake. I would want a waffle if we're gonna stop there.
Yeah, on the way back. Before the fireworks.
Yeah, we're just gonna do everything today. I know you will.
I have a crazy appetite on this trip.
Yeah, why?
I'm pregnant, I think.
Don't joke, you don't even know how that feels.
No, like everything.
That's so hard to control when you're pregnant. It's very, very difficult. Okay, wait, this view though? Okay. Sorry, it's a little more important than you right now.
Beautiful view.
Look how, and it's so quiet back here. Look at this, wait a second, like literally, look. Like, look how, like, it's so quiet.
The pineapple piece, is it just me? Or does it go away after a while?
Like, you mean like after every bite?
They come down to here and already, it's not as strong as the top.
Because you're used to it already.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Still good.
I can't believe you're still talking about this Dole.
It's, you know, they're known for it.
Yes, but it's not your first Dole Whip.
Yeah, but why would you not get it when you're here? It's like the best thing.
There's a couple of like must do's, eats,
It's
edition, food edition.
Dole Whip is #1.
Yes, it is.
And then churros, but
You're forgetting cheeseburger egg rolls,
cheeseburger egg rolls.
or spring rolls. I think they're spring rolls. Cheeseburger spring rolls. Yes, they are spring rolls. They were not open when we walked by it. Totally fine.
Yeah,
Don't eat
it's
it.
rare that they are.
Yeah.
But
This is my favorite thing ever. I know a lot of people know this, but in case you don't, if you line up the correct way and stand in front of this fountain, the crown lays on Cinderella's head. Look at that. There it is. Just a fun fact. That's all. Okay, carry on.
Oh, there's Dumbo.
I know, we should do it.
On it with Jagger.
Aw, yeah, we'll save it for Jagger then. Okay, that's fine.
We can go on it. I never really
No, let's save it for Jagger.
Maybe when I was a little kid.
It's like raining, so let's hide out in here for a little bit.
I like the rain. Ooh, it feels nice and cool in here. I like how we're doing different things.
Yeah. Everything's new in here.
Shut down.
They renovated. Cotton candy. Ooh, they have a pin board.
Oh my god, what did you find?
I traded pins. I brought a bunch of pins that, you know, because I like getting like the mystery pins.
Yeah.
And anything that's not Donald, I like to trade because I only collect like Donald pins or like maybe like some of the attraction pins I like to keep too. But I traded a Mickey one and a little Donald feet. Cute, right?
Yeah, look at those.
I didn't show the one that we got in Epcot. We were in the Italy pavilion. We were trying to find the Mickey for Jagger. Look at the Donald one we got.
Oh, wow.
Isn't it cute?
Yeah. Love it. Nice pins.
Thanks. Yeah, so.
Yeah, it's kind of empty in here. I mean, they got a lot of candy and stuff,
Yeah.
but not a lot of merch anymore. But I got a drink and it's cool, so.
Yeah. Let's go to Mermaid.
All right.
When we walked by it, it was 25 minutes. That's not bad.
Yeah, let's go.
What just happened?